Top 3 free apps to watch movies in Android. In this video, I will guide you top free apps that you can use to watch movies in your Android device. The first one is Plex. Plex offers a subscription-free streaming experience with access to over 50,000 on-demand films and 600 plus live TV channels, all ad-supported and available on Android. Once you download Plex, you can browse titles from studios like Paramount, A24, Lionsgate, and more, covering every genre, which includes action, comedy, documentary, anime, and beyond. You'll also find live channels for news, sports, and entertainment. With Plex Universal Search, you can see what's free without logging in or paying. Just tap the Free Movies and TV section to start watching. The next app is Streamflix. It is a free ad-supported Android app designed to let you watch high-definition movies and TV shows without registration or subscription. After installing Streamflix, you gain access to a massive library of Hollywood and Bollywood blockbusters. The app's user-friendly interface includes a smart search feature, instant notifications for newly added content, and subtitle support for multiple languages. Finally, there is Flimsy. Flimsy is a 100% legal ad-supported platform that streams hundreds of hours of high-quality, independent and studio films on Android. To get started, download Flimsy from the Play Store. You'll find award-winning features, thought-provoking documentaries, mind-blowing shorts, family movies, and more. There are no subscriptions, fees, or hidden costs. The entire Flimsy category is free to browse and watch. New titles are added regularly, and by streaming on Flimsy, you directly support independent filmmakers and small studio productions. And these are the 3 free movie streaming apps that you can use on your Android device. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.